everyone, this is Akriti here. Today I am going to draw turkey bird for Thanksgiving. Let's start. Let's draw and color together. First I am drawing turkey's head. Please try to draw with me. It has cute beak and also one snout.
Now I know my ABCs.
Now I am drawing turkey's body. Turkey starts with letter T. We spell it as Turkey, turkey. I am drawing its legs. Turkey's feathers. I love drawing and coloring.
Now let's take it a little faster. Are you ready? Let's go.
Thanksgiving is celebrated to thank for good things. Turkey is a traditional holiday meal on Thanksgiving. Ta-da! Green.
1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, oh my, 4 apples for my apple pie. 1 lemon, 2 lemons, 3 lemons, oh hey, 4 lemons for some lemonade. 1,
Pink.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's sing it all again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Count with me, my friend. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, oh my, 4 apples for my apple pie. 1 lemon, 2 lemons, 3 lemons, oh hey, 4
Red.
lemons for some lemonade. Let's keep on counting all day. Ooh, give me some ice cream.
Orange.
A scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more. Ooh, give me some ice cream. Ooh, this is perfection to me. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more. Ooh, this is perfection to me. Whether it's frozen cold or melting down my fingers, ice cream is the treat that lingers. Ooh, give me some ice cream. A scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3
Yellow.
scoop. Ooh, give me some ice cream. Whether it's frozen cold or melting down my fingers, ice cream is the treat that lingers. Ooh, give me some ice cream. A scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more. Ooh, give me some ice cream.
Light green. Brown.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U,
Blue.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the